Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. O'Mara. We are on problem set lesson 16. All righty. We are we're adding measurements, using the standard algorithm to compose larger units twice. So let's see. We are here and it says the directions. Always read the directions. Find the sums below. Well, sum means what? You are correct. The answer to an addition problem. All right, here we go. What we want to do is look at the ones place. We want to say to ourselves, oh, that's awesome. 2 plus 8, ooh, that's 10. So I'm going to take the 2 off of the 52, and that gives me 50 milliliters. And I'm going to add 2 to 68, which gives me what? 70. You are correct. Now we can add this easily. Milliliters. We know that 0 plus 0, and then 7 plus 5 is 12. So we have 120 milliliters. Now, remember, you can also do the standard algorithm each time, but we're trying to come up with a quicker way so we can see that it would be the same. Okay? All right, let's go to B. Let's look at it again. Aha, I see a 2 and 8. Perfect. I'm going to take the 2 off the 350. So I have 352, and I have 350 milliliters. Plus, I'm going to add the 2 to the 68, which gives me 70 milliliters. So now I can easily add these two. Now, remember, I'm going to write up here really fast. If you don't know, line them up carefully. We see that the 7 10s, 0 1s goes under the 5 10s and 0 1s. And then you can add easily, okay? Just remember, you can always do it the standard algorithm, or if you can do it in your head, you can see 0, 7 plus 5 is 12, carry our 1 is 4. But you can also say 7 plus 5, 12, or 35 plus 7 is 42 milliliters, okay? Here we go again, 2 and 8. So I'm going to stay with 350 milliliters plus 400. We're going to add the 2 to the 68, which gives us 70. All righty, awesome. Now, what does that equal? Let's look at it. So we have our zeros, and you could add 35 plus 47. Holy cow. Or we could say 7 plus 5 is 12, and we add 1, so it'd be 820 milliliters. Remember, you could do it the standard way also. Here we go. Oh, good. 6 plus 4 is 10. So I'm going to take the 6 off the 56, and we are adding centimeters this time. Remember, these are units, milliliters, centimeters. All right, you just follow along with whatever unit it is asking you to add. Plus, I'm going to add the 6 ones to the 94, which gives me 100 centimeters. So now I could add them easily, which gives me 150 centimeters. All right, same thing over here. We can add the 6 to the 94. So we have 500 centimeters plus 100 centimeters gives us 500 plus 100 is 600 centimeters. Good job. Same thing again. We could take the 6 off. We're looking at our ones to see if we can make 10. Awesome. We can. So this is going to be 500 centimeters plus 400 centimeters equals 500 plus 400 equals 900 centimeters. Okay, let me move down just a little bit. Let's see if it's going to let me. Oh, moved too far, didn't I? Just a little bit. Come on, be nice to me. There we go. Okay, so we are on. Oops, did I not go far? Yeah, darn it. Come on. Oh, Mrs. O'Mara, come on. There we go. There we go. Oh, it keeps moving on me. Sorry, boys and girls, we're almost there. We'll get there. Just fast forward through this little bit, if you will, to the next one, so you don't have to keep watching me do this silliness. I don't want to start all over, so let's move right there. Oh, stop. There we go. Perfect. All right, here we go again. Now it gets a little trickier, okay? We can add 3 now, okay, to this. See, I'm on G, aren't I? Yes. All right, so we can add 3 from over here. So I want to start with, I'm going to add 3, which gives me 700 grams. That's our unit. And I'm going to take 3 off, which gives me 135 grams. Perfect. When I add these together, I see the 835 grams. All right, here we go. Now, I need to add 3 to this one to get 600. I need to add 3 to this one, and I want to take 3 off of here, which gives me 342. Now I can easily add it because this is in the hundreds. So I can add my 9. 3 plus 6 is 9, and then it just gives me 42 grams. This is called mental math, remember. Okay, here we go. So the next one, I want to add 3 to this one, which gives me 500 grams. Now I want to take 3 off of this one, which gives me 483 grams. Now I can add easily again. I can add my hundreds and my tens and my ones easily. Okay, here we go for this one, J. All right, now this is a little trickier. We're going to break them apart. We have 3 liters and 250 milliliters and 1 liter and 549 milliliters. Holy cow. So we want to take one off of this. So we're going to keep our 3 liters and we want to take one off of this milliliter. Okay. And we want to add it to this milliliter, which gives us 550 milliliters. Okay. So if I want to add those together, I can do a couple things. I can go ahead and take 50 off of here and add it to 250, which gives me 300 milliliters plus 500 milliliters. Now it makes it simpler for us, okay? Which gives us 800 milliliters. Whatever way is easier for you. All right, here we go. We have 4 kilograms and 384 grams. And I'm actually going to place these underneath each other. 2 kilograms and 467 grams. And I'm going to go ahead and add it like normal. Okay? So I have grams. I have 4 plus 7 is 11. I'm going to carry my 1. Now remember, you can carry it at the top or you can carry it at the equal sign. I'm going to carry it at the top. So 9 plus 6 is 15. I have to carry that 100 up. And I have 851 grams. Okay? All right, let's move to the next. All right, let's see if I can scooch it down just a little this time. Just a little. Come on, be nice to me. Oh, almost. It's almost nice to me, wasn't it? All right, let's go to 7. Oh, come on. Down. Nope, doesn't want to be nice to me. Let's see if I can move it. Just a second. Let's see if I can move it down a little bit. Now, shucks. Doesn't want to move for me easily. Sorry, boys and girls, we'll get there. Remember, fast forward through this silliness of Mrs. O'Mara. It just doesn't want to move for me. There we go. Let's move it. Oh, there we go. That's faster. All right, let's go to our next page. Here we go. We are on number 2. Lang makes sauerkraut. He weighs the amounts of cabbage and salt he uses. Draw and label a tape diagram to find the total weight of the cabbage and salt Lang uses. Okay, here we go. So let's draw our tape diagram. We see 907 grams, which is the cabbage, and we see 93 grams of salt. So we've weighed both, and it says draw a tape diagram. Okay, so we know that 90, oops, sorry, I'm going to put it over here a little bigger. 907 grams and 93 grams. So what they want us to do is draw and label tape diagram to find the total weight. So total means what? You are correct. We're going to add them. So we have 907 grams plus 93 grams. And remember, we can do it a couple different ways. We can draw out the standard algorithm, or look at this, 7 plus 3. So I'm going to take 3 from the 93, and I'm going to add it to the 907, which gives me 910 grams, which equals 90 plus 10. You are correct, 1,000 grams. Nice job. Okay, let's move down to our next question. All right, here we go. Sue bakes mini muffins for the school bake sale. After wrapping 86 muffins, she still has 58 muffins left cooling on the table. How many muffins did she bake all together? Oh, there's that key word again. Does all together mean? You are correct. Total number. So what's our algorithm? It looks like we had 86 muffins plus 58 muffins left on the table, and we want to add. So let's start in our ones. Look like I've lined them up carefully. 6 plus 8 is 14. Now, remember, you can carry that 110 up to the top or on your equal sign here. So you can see the number 14. So 8 plus 5 is 13, plus 1 is 14. So she baked 144 muffins. Good job, everyone. All right, last one. Whew, you're working hard. These are tough. All right, here we go. The milk carton to the right holds 183 milliliters more liquid than the juice box. What is the total capacity of the juice box and milk carton? Remember, that's how much it contains. All right, we do not know, it looks like, the milk carton. So we want the total capacity. So what will we do? Well, 279, right, milliliters. This one has 200 or 183 milliliters more liquid than the juice box. So we have to add our 183 milliliters to the juice box. Once we do that, 9 plus 3 is 12. So we cannot put 12 ones down. So we're going to carry our 110. 7 plus 8 is 15, plus 1 is 16. So we have 16 tens. We cannot, remember, we cannot put 16 in our tens. So we have to put our 6 tens and carry our 100 over. So 2 plus 1 is 462 milliliters. Well, we are not finished. So it says, what is the total capacity of the juice box and the milk carton? Well, we just found out that the milk carton is 462 milliliters, right? So let's put that here. And then we found out that, what happened here? Come on. And we found out, so that was mole. We found out that the milk weighs 462 milliliters, has the capacity, not weighs, excuse me. And so then we know that the juice box has 279 milliliters, okay? We want the total capacity of both of them, so we're going to add. We know it's milliliters, and this is capacity. This is how much they hold total. So 9 plus 2 is 11. So we put down our 1, and we carry our 110. 6 plus 7 is 13, plus 1 is 14 tens. Can't put 14 tens in, so let's put our 4 tens down and carry our 100. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Our answer is 700 milliliters. So if we write it out, the total capacity of both is 741 milliliters. Good job, boys and girls. That was a lot. You should be proud of yourselves.